moving on to exercise 16.2. Question number 1. A die is rolled. Let E be the event that the die shows 4. So E is the event where the die shows the number 4. And F be the event that the die shows an even number. So even number என்னலாம் இருக்கு 2, 4 and 6. Are E and F mutually exclusive? So you have to check for E intersection F. What is E intersection F? It is 4. So it is not equal to null set. So it is not mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive na enna artham? The intersection should be a null set. Mutually exclusive it should not have an intersection. Here there is an intersection, so it means they are not mutually exclusive. Second question. A die is thrown. Describe the following events. First one. A number less than 7. You're rolling a die. So you have number less than 7 now. You have everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A. What is my B? A number greater than 7. Number greater than 7 now. It is a null set. You don't have anything. What is my C? Is a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is a multiple of 3? 3 and 6. What is my D? D is a number less than 4. Number less than 4 now. 1, 2 and 3. You cannot include 4 because it is less than 4. Not equal to 4. Okay. Then 5. An even number greater than 4. Even number greater than 4 now. It is only 6. 5 கிடையாது ஏன்னா even number greater than 4. You have two conditions. The number has to be greater than 4 and it has to be an even number. So only 6. அப்புறம் what is my F? A number not less than 3. இப்போ number less than 3 னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? 1, 2 னு இருக்கும். Not னா whatever is in this and whatever is in this and not in this. So it will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understand? Is it clear? It is given that a number is not less than 3. Not less than 3 na it is greater than or equal to 3. Okay? The number is not less than 3 abina it is greater than or equal to 3. Number which is less than 3 is 1, 2. So the number which is not less than 3 it will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? That's how you get F. Okay. Now what is asked? Find A union B, A intersection B, B union C, E intersection F, D intersection E, A minus C, D minus E, E intersection F dash and F dash, which means F naught. Okay. அப்போ A union B என்ன? A and B ல இருக்கணும் and there should be no repetition. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A intersection B is a null set. You don't have any intersection. What is B union C? 3, 6. E intersection F. E intersection F. What is the common element in both E and F? It is number 6. அடுத்து D intersection E. So இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் intersection என்ன? You do not have an intersection. Null set. A minus C, which means the elements are in A but not in C. So A ல இருக்கு, C ல இல்ல. அப்ப C ல என்ன இருக்கு? 3, 6 இருக்கு. அப்ப 3, 6 omit பண்ணிடணும். A ல இருக்கு, C ல இல்ல, which means you have to write 1, 2, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 4, 5. D minus E. D minus E na whatever is in D but not in E. அப்போ இதுல இருக்கிறது மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். So 1, 2, 3. E intersection F dash, which means it is in E but not in F. This can also be written as E minus F. இல்லையா? You have a Venn diagram. This is E, F. E intersection F dash. F dash na enna? This whole thing. E intersection F dash na it will be this part. So it will be E minus F, not including F. E minus F na enadhu? You can write 6 and which is not in this, which is not possible. So it is a null set. இங்க இருக்கணும் ஆனா இங்க இருக்க கூடாது. But 6 is already in F, so you cannot write. What is my F dash? The number which is less than 3. இதுதான். Okay? So it is 1, 2. Question number 3. An experiment involves rolling a pair of dice and recording the numbers that come up. A. The sum is greater than 8. The sum is greater than 8. So sample space எப்படி இருக்கும்? So it will be 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2 வராது because it has to be greater than 8, not equal to 8. So இந்த line முடிஞ்சதா? Let's go to the second last line. So I have 5, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 3 வராது. Okay? Next, I have 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4 varadu because 4 plus 4 is 8. Then I have 3, 6. I won't be taking 3, 5. Then what do I have? 2, 6. I cannot take that. 1, 6. So this is my sample space for 8. The numbers which are greater than, the sum is greater than 8. Okay, so this is one subsection A. And B, 2 occurs on either die. So I have 2 occurring on either die. So it can be 1, either ஒரு டைல 2 வரலாம் இல்ல ரெண்டு டைலயும் 2 வரலாம். So I have 1, 2. I write it as 1, 2. I have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. I have these lines. So I have 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2 and 6, 2. So B can occur on either of the dice. அப்படினா அர்த்தம் ரெண்டு டைலயும் வரலாம் இல்ல ஒரே ஒரு டைலயும் வரலாம். So this is my possible outcomes of B. What is my C? The sum is at least 7 and a multiple of 3. At least 7 na the minimum number has to be 7. So the sum can be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are my possibilities of the sum to be at least 7. But in our condition it has to be a multiple of 3. So the sum can be only 9 or 12. Okay, so you have to pick up numbers whose sum is 9 or 12. So it will be last line. So 6 plus 6, 12. So I have 6, 6. Then I have 6 plus 3, which is 9. In the line mudijudhu. Then I have 5 plus 4, 9. What else? Nothing else. They have to be a multiple of 3, but it has to be, the sum has to be greater than 7. Adnala I am not taking 5, 1 because the sum is 6. The sum has to be at least 7, which means 7 and above. Correct? So 5, 4 mudijudhu. Then what is my possibility? I have 4, 5. Then what else? I have 3, 6. Then I have nothing else. Okay? So this is my last number. So my sample space for C will be this. அடுத்தது, which pair of these events are mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive na enala paakano? A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C. So let's see if they are all null set. So A intersection B. Do you see any intersection? I don't think there is any intersection. A is a number that is greater than 8 and here it is a multiple of 3. So A intersection B is a null set. A intersection C, I have 66. So it is not a null set. B intersection C la there is no intersection. So this is a null set. So I see that A and B and C are mutually exclusive. Okay.